Hello to all my YouTube subscribers. This is the official channel of the Science Hub Mutual Aid. In this video, we are going to show you how to use EndNote, and this will be the fourth part of the EndNote tutorials, 2 ways to import literature. If this video is helpful to you, please click on the notification bell and subscribe. In the first video, we shared how to import downloaded PDF files in EndNote. Today, let's take a look at how to import literature in other ways. 1. Import from magazine official website. This is the most accurate way to import. Search for the title of the article on Bing or retrieve relevant information in other websites to find the article's homepage. For example, if we enter the ACS website to retrieve the article, we can click Export under the title. Double-click the content you just downloaded. It will automatically jump and import into EndNote. You can also choose to edit from EndNote just like the way we introduced in the first video. Another example is this article. Click Cite under the title, then click Export Citation to RIS. Double-click the content just downloaded. It will automatically jump and import it to EndNote. To import from network database. You can batch import. You can also import one by one. Here's the demonstration. Search literature in Google Scholar homepage. Click into the details. Click Cite this article. Download citation. Double-click on the content just downloaded. It will automatically jump and import it into EndNote. Find a journal article in Elsevier. Enter the content you want. You can click on the single or multiple choice. The subsequent steps are the same. Export citation to RIS. Double-click on the content just downloaded. It will automatically jump and import it into EndNote. Science is also the same. You can click on the PDF to view the download. You can also directly view through the pre-installed extension EndNote Click. Click site can also import it into EndNote directly. That's all of this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.